Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bitstamp, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Bitstamp, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to Bitstamp's official website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. After completing the form, read Bitstamp's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms and conditions. If you have a referral code, enter it in the appropriate box, otherwise, leave it blank. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and look for the email from Bitstamp. Click the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Bitstamp website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. For security purposes, enable two-factor authentication if prompted. Complete your profile by providing the necessary personal information. You will be required to submit identity verification documents. Follow the instructions to upload your documents securely. Wait for Bitstamp to review your submission. This may take a few minutes. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to fund your account. Choose your preferred payment method from the options available. Follow the instructions for depositing funds into your Bitstamp account. Your account is now registered and ready for trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.